Hello, my darlings. I am currently at the new house. It's very echoey, I know, and also it's very gloomy today, so apologies for the lighting. It might be quite dark, and also I do look wretched because I just cleaned. But since I'm here and I'm alone, I decided to show you around our new house. I'm super excited. Of course, it's still in progress. I'm gonna show you our plans. I would say it's like 60% done, but there's still so much to do. So I'm gonna show you around the whole house. I'm gonna show you what we're planning to do here. All right, so this is where you enter. As you can see, it's still in progress, obviously, but we already have some nice decoration and furniture. I really like that you walk into a mirror because it makes the whole entrance look a little bit bigger and more spacious. And I really like this. This is actually, I think it's over 100 years old, so it's a very nice touch. It makes it very retro here. And this vase is from alabaster, and I think we got it in Morocco, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, it looks very nice. So we basically used many things that we had in our old house. And just to let you know, me and my mom bought this house just recently, a few months ago, because we used to live in a massive house and it was no point for her to live there alone. Since I don't live with her anymore, it just made sense to buy something a little bit smaller. So here, as you walk in, this is the entrance right here, and here you're gonna walk in. Here are gonna be surely some paintings and stuff like that. So you walk in, and this is my and Reyaz's bedroom. As you can see, it's a massive mess. This is the room that we are gonna do last because, you know, we have our other apartment and Reyaz is still in South Africa. So, you know, we are just taking it slow here. But my idea, by the way, I really like this lamp, it just came. My idea is that here is gonna be the bed, I think. And we're gonna have some desk there, stuff to work. I think here, of course, all that stuff is gonna go. This is, you know, just mainly to be tossed. You know how it is when you move in, right? So yeah, we're gonna remove all of that. And I think here, maybe actually here is gonna be the bed because I want the closet all over this wall. So this is the wall that you walk in from. So yeah, here's gonna be like a nice white wooden closet. So we have all our stuff here. And as you can see, there are two windows. They're both like door windows, so you can walk out to the garden from here. And here you can walk out basically to the parking space. So the entrance of the house. So yeah, this is how my bedroom and Riyaz's looks like. It looks very stuffed now, but it's quite spacious, so I intend to fit a lot of stuff here. Maybe actually instead of the desk on this wall, there will be my perfume closet. I don't know, I really don't know yet. If you have some ideas, guys, let me know, because as you can see, I am definitely in the progress here. So yeah, that's that. And I must say, I really like how the doors look because they're like very heavy wooden doors all over the house. We are planning to do like a nice, you know, how do you call this? Like a nice decor all over, like wooden white decor. Okay, so here on the other side is a massive mess because we literally just moved my mom in and me. But this is gonna be all built in. You're not gonna see it. It's gonna be like a nice closet for shoes, for some cleaning products, you know. So everything will be locked and nobody's gonna see all that jazz. So right when you go further, here is the bathroom, and I actually have to put on the lights, so wait a minute. All right, so here's the bathroom. I'm sure you have already seen it on my Instagram stories. It's still, of course, in progress. So here, as you can see, this is gonna be all built into a closet, like again, a nice white wooden closet. So everything will be hidden. The washing machine, everything will be hidden. So that's gonna look very good. And I think the builders are gonna come this week or next week. Here is my mom's stuff for the makeup, but she's gonna move it to her bedroom because she's gonna have like a nice vanity space there, and here's basically the toilet. Here is a beautiful vintage sink. I really love it. I decided to incorporate wood, black and gold together, and of course white, so it all looks very nice. I love the lights here. So the walls are marbled and the floor all over, and in the shower are like wooden and marble. So yeah, of course, again guys, I'm sorry for a little bit of a mess, but you know, we are still in the progress of cleaning, putting stuff together. I just want to show you around too, so you have a picture of what we're doing. And a bidet, which is not installed yet, so you know, it's all covered up. But here's gonna be the bidet, and here we're gonna have another chest of drawers or a shelf, and I'm planning to put like a black wooden with some metal accents as well. So it's gonna look very cool. So that's the bathroom. And here is the main space. This is how the lights look like a nice chandeliers all over. This is actually from our old house. So here, this door leads to my mom's bedroom, but for her privacy reasons, I'm not going to show you around just yet. Yeah, so this is going to be left for next video when everything's done and she's okay with it. But here is the main living space area. This is how it looks like from the far. I really like how it turned out, so maybe I'll go here first. So here we have like a massive couch, and we are planning to put like very small chairs or armchairs here, which are gonna be like black and white or green and white, maybe checked, I don't know yet. And here is another massive antique that I really love. And this is from my great grandmother, so it's super duper old, and my mom keeps her perfumes here at the moment, so I'm gonna get into her stash in the next video and show you what she's using at the moment, because I know you're very much interested. So I put some decorations here already, so it looks decent. And the lamp, this is basically the same lamp that I have in my apartment currently. I stole it from my mom, so she only has one. But if she had two, it would be probably on this wall, you know? But she doesn't, because I stole it. Here are some beautiful paintings waiting to be hanged, because we are still figuring out the right space to put them. And there is another painting by actually a very famous Polish painter. He's dead already like years and years ago, but I really like his work. And here's the kitchen. So this is how it looks like. It's all like, again, wooden, white, natural wood, aka blonde wood, gold, antique gold, and black. So here is the island, but the island is gonna be built further. So basically this wooden thing, however you call it, is gonna go here all over the island, and basically all you're gonna see is the wood. So this white is gonna be covered, and the white, the back of the island, is also gonna be covered with this wood that is on top. So yeah, that's that. Here's the fridge. Here is gonna be the microwave, but my mom already put her stuff here because she always does it. She doesn't know where to put things, so she puts them everywhere, you know? Here's the oven, and I think this is the coolest thing in the kitchen because it looks so cool. And yeah, dishwasher, stuff like that, you know? But here we have everything, and I really like that we have those see-through cupboards. And there's our glass and nice teapots and stuff like that. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I really love these handles. They're like pumpkins, very cute. So that's that. Here's my mom's favorite flower, so it has to be here. And here's the nicest part, I think, of the whole living room. Here we have the chandelier, also from the old house. Here we have a very nice bookshelf. I really love how it came out. It looks so pretty with all the vases and antiques inside. It's so cool. And this is the table with the chairs, and actually this is an antique as well. It's over 100 years old, so I'm sure it has a lot of energy inside, since it's wood and all that jazz, you know. But yeah, this is the antique chairs and the table set. And here we have those beautiful candle holders and candles from IKEA. So yeah, it's from IKEA, guys. You would never guess, would you? It looks so nice and vintage. And here in the back we have another painting that's going to be hanged, I think, on this wall, most probably. That's why we put it here. And it's also by that same Polish painter. Actually, his name is Victor Zin, so check it out if you're interested, but his work is very nice. So yeah, here is the library of the house, and many books of my mom's, some of mine, like language books, because I'm a language freak. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I really love it. And that is basically it. I'm gonna show you from the other side. Of course, TV is gonna go here, and around the TV we're gonna have 2 paintings, I think, most probably. And here is the look from this side. Really cute, I think. Of course, this is gonna be built. Still, we're waiting for the builders, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, but it's coming together definitely. I'm really excited for this house. And I think we're gonna spend our Christmas here, or maybe we will go somewhere for holiday, but I really would like to spend Christmas here, to be honest. And I really love the floors. They're like old wood, very nicely matched to the rest of the house. I really like how it looks. And I'm gonna show you the garden as well. Of course, it's completely not done, but bear with me. So this is how the garden looks like. It's so gloomy today, but the great thing about this garden is that we have basically a forest right by our garden, so we are sure that nobody's gonna build any house in front of it, you know. It's just so cool, the place, because we are completely separated from everyone. And here, of course, we're gonna make nice grass, and I think there will be a jacuzzi in this corner, and we're gonna put a lot of plants around the fence so nobody can see us. And yeah, it's very messy at the moment, and we have a plum tree. I think even more than one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plum trees. So we have plums all over, which is terrible. I mean, we can pick them up, and we already did for some chutney, you know, but on the other hand, it attracts so many animals, and we hear weird noises all the time at night, so that's a little bit weird. But yeah, here, of course, this is going to be built over, so you're not going to see it. It's going to be all covered in wood, so that's going to look nice. But this is basically the electrical stuff for the house, so that has to be here, unfortunately. But yeah, the garden is quite spacious. It's very nice. I mean, not yet, but it will be very nice. So this is how it looks like. And yeah, woods everywhere. Look, guys, look how beautiful. Despite the weather, I love being here. Love it. Okay, so that's that, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my little half empty house tour. Of course, there's so much to do here still, but I promised you that I'm gonna show you the progress. I couldn't do it anytime earlier because there were so many people here, you know, doing everything and building stuff. So I just didn't want to interrupt them too much, because they would have to keep very quiet, and that's impossible. So yeah, this is the first time that I could actually shoot something. I'm very happy. I love the garden. We're so separated from everyone, and the house is around 100 meters, 100 square meters. So, you know, it's perfect for my mom, and it's gonna be perfect for when I come to visit her, and when Rayaz comes with me to visit her. It's gonna be just perfect. But basically, this is my new family home, and I'm really happy that we purchased it, and I'm really happy that I could participate in all of that. So I know that for my mom, this is exactly what she wanted, and this is exactly what I wanted. So it's just perfect, you know, it's just really perfect. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye.